Hi, good afternoon. I am Mike. Today we have a word family. 8, 8, 8. Long A sound. A, 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 T, 8. Now here, A-T, at, short A, at. With E, now, 8, 8, 8. Same sound as 8, the number. F, 8. Fate, fate, fate. If I take away the E, f, at, fat. E, fate. Fat, fate. Fat, fate. M, 8. Mate. Mat, mat, mate. Mate, mate. R, 8. Rate. Rat, rate. Rat, rate. Hate, 8. Hate. Hat, hate. 8. Sate, sate, sate. Sat, sate. St, 8. State, state, state. Sl, 8. Slate, slate, slate. G, 8. Gate, gate, gate. Sk, sk, 8. Skate, skate, skate. L, 8. Late, late, late. Cr, cr, 8. Crate, crate, crate. D, 8. Date, date, date. P, l, pl, pl. 8. Plate, plate, plate. G, r, gr. 8. Great, great, great. K, 8. Kate, Kate, Kate. Capital K, uppercase K. Kate is a girl's name or a woman's name. It is a proper noun, capital K. One more time, faster. Fate, mate, rate, hate, sate, state, slate, gate, skate, late, crate, date, plate, great, Kate. Very good. Let's do more long A. A. Go for it.